This is chapter 4, number 5. Helen is in a bicycle race. She has already biked 10 miles and is now biking at a rate of 18 miles per hour. Her distance as a function of time is shown on the graph. A asks us to write an equation that represents the distance Helen has biked as a function of time. To do this, you need to understand that you need to have the equation y equals mx plus b. M, which is going to be the slope, and the y-intercept, which is going to be b. To do this, we have to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, we can do that on the right. First, we're going to find the slope. Let's look for anything that says something about slope. Here it says at a rate of 18 miles per hour. Okay, really, when it says per hour, it's per 1 hour. So this means that the slope is equal to 18 over 1. Next, let's look for some keywords for the y-intercept. It says already bike 10 miles. Okay, and this would be the y-intercept of b. All right, so there you go. You have that value. Now you can actually plug it in here. All right, so this is y equal, same equation, y equal, but for the m, we erase the m and substitute in the value of 18 over 1, or just we can write 18 over 1. And then the y-intercept, which is b, going to be a 10 here. So there you go. That would be the equation. Okay? And that is b, what it means, and what it represents. All right? Now let's take a look here. What does it mean for it to bike after 2 hours? It means x is equal to 2 hours. Okay, here's the equation from before, and we want to make sure we grab the equation that we have the slope and the y-intercept already. Okay, so we want to substitute in here 2. Now we can do the multiplication. What is 18 times 2? You can plug that into a calculator to get that value. We have 18 times 2, and that gets us 36. So y is equal to 36 plus 10. Add, combine 36 and 10. This gets you 46, and this is miles. So we can say that at 2 hours, she rode a total of 46 miles. Right, there you go. That is how you do the problem.